So what exactly is corneal atresia? So like you can see, we have anterior nasal opening and you have posterior nasal opening. Okay, whenever there is atresia, that is the opening is closed, it can be either unilateral or it can be bilateral. So prematurity, type 2 DM, and then we C-section. All right, so these are the three main risk factors where they can have. Okay, next coming to the anatomy of the respiratory system. Okay, so here we have two kinds of this thing. Until the terminal bronchiole, it's called as the conductive system, and below the terminal bronchiole, it is known as the respiratory system. Okay, in conductive zone, it is mainly used for the conduction of the air, humidifying, and also if there are any pathogens or dust particles to remove those. All right, and in case of respiratory alveoli, it is main job is to undergo gas exchange. So which is the best epithelium to do this? It is ciliated columnar epithelium. All right. So why the cilia? It helps in one is air propulsion towards the respective side, and also it can help in along with mucociliary mechanism. We say with the help of the mucociliary mechanism, it traps the cellular debris, the bacteria, the dust particles, and it doesn't undergo, it doesn't make sure that it doesn't go forward. All right. And Haldane's effect is very simple: increase in oxygen pressure. So is the respiratory epithelium, there is increase in oxygen pressure, so oxygen is going to start binding to the hemoglobin molecule, and it is go. So once oxygen starts binding to hemoglobin molecule, whatever the carbon dioxide is there, that is bound, it is offloaded. Okay,